Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial of ReactJs. So today we are going to learn how to pass data between the pages in React Router DOM v6. Version 6 we are going to use to pass data between the pages in the ReactJs. So let's see how we are going to pass such kind of data from one page to another. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit like button to this video, and any query just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's get started how to going to pass the data between the pages in React Router DOM version 6. So first of all, we are going to create a new project. So I'm going to go to my directory. So here we have HTML, where we have a React projects. We have React projects. Okay, so I'm going to open in a terminal. Okay, and make direct. Okay, we don't need to make directories. We have to add this one, pass data, so it will create the package with the CRA template, whatever the default one. Okay, with React DOM and React, so it is making the folder templates, and it's done. No, yeah, it's done. Okay, so I'm going to open this in a code this React project. So it is opening the React project. Okay, so it is opening which project? It is opened. Where is pass data? Source. This is the pass data. This is the source one. Okay, so we will. Okay, so here we have app.js file, but that is by default. If I go and check with this one npm start, so you can see that the project is basic. Oh, sorry, pass data npm start. Okay, so you can see that the project is opened, the default one, right? So let's do the passing the data. We are going to make the nav bar and passing the data from one page to another. So let's gonna see that. So first of all, let's open this one and let's go out with the React Router DOM. So we need to install this package. So React Router DOM npm. Okay, so this is the first one, and copy this one. Okay, and paste this one. Okay, this is with this package is now this package is installed. Now we are going to do some of the pages. So first of all, we need to go with the app.js and try to add this code. Okay, I will explain step by step. So where is the VS code? And here we have app.js. Okay, so here we have the style component is there, so it is not there, so I think it's create the issue, so we are going to remove this one. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so here you can see that I have use state. Basically, those who don't know, the use state is a hook basically for setting the data and getting the data, right? And here we are using the browser router route navigate and link from the React Router DOM for the navigations, and these are the components that we need to create over it. So I'm going to create the components over here in the source one. So I'm going to create a new folder, and here I'm going to add the components part. Okay, so here we go with the component add folder. Here we are going to create a folder, new folder. So this is components folder. Okay, so here we need to add the home page and not found and about. So I'm going to make the home page over here. So create a new file, that is home.js. So I'm going to build this home.js. So right now I'm going to write the home page code. So this is that one, home page code. So I'm going to add this one, home page. Okay, and it's a home. Okay, so by default we are returning with the default function. So this is done. Moving to the next one, that is not page found. So we are going to create a new one again with a new file .js. Okay, let's add the code over here, not found code. These are just simple pages and we have imported. Okay, not found page, and which page is not here, that is about. So we are going to create a new page also, new file about.js. Okay, and where is about code over here? This is the about code. I'm going to add it. Okay, so let's add it. So here we are passing the data and setting the data, right? So let's see. So this is about, okay, all set. About page is there, not found is there. In the components, it's not taking up the components, I guess. Now it's there. Make it this and this. Okay, so these pages are linked, correct? Now we have, by default we have set the data to be use state should be id1 and title1. Okay, so this is the this is the data that we are passing. Okay, so this is the link that is for the, you can see that linking that we have the home page, about page, and the services page. Okay, services page, I guess it's not there, so depends on you. Okay, so in the routes we have route paths, that's if it is slash then we are going to redirect the home page, and if it is 404 then not found page, and it is about then this one, if it is there is no path then navigate with the 404 page. Okay, so these are the things. And you can see that in the about element we have the about page, right? And in the about, here you can see that in the about page what we have sending, we have state, it is sending with the data whatever it is data we are sending to this part in the about section. So this is the way, this is basically the props that we are sending to the this about section. So whenever we click on that and we will redirect to this about section, and the path is about, and it will go to this about section. In the about section we are getting the props, so whatever the data we are sending we are getting this one in the log. So we will check whether location dot state is there. If it is not there then we were getting the data, and we are getting from the data, if data is there then we will fetch the data dot title. Also you can copy this one, and also we have another that is data title, another one, which one is another one, that is the title is there. Okay, you can also add the description at the same time. Okay, description you can add description. Okay, so here you can add dummy data. Okay, so you can also use this one description, because here we have passing the whole data. So by default the data's value is this one, so I'm passing in the state function. You can also use state, list, result, anything you want to pass it over here, or passing the full data over here, right? Not in the parameter state that pass data. Okay, so here you can see that in the location dot state we are getting the data, and here I'm going to add the description. Okay, and let's see what we are going to receive with this one. Any error is there? Is it somewhere else error? Okay, we haven't run the npm start. Okay, we have a home page, this is the home page, then we have about page. How to pass data, you can see that whatever data I have passed, it is shown over here. You can see that. So I have whatever the data I have passed from this one app dot in the about page, so you can see that it's all there. You can also but here you can see that how to get the variables, that's very important. In the about, it is a, all the data it is in state one. If I go to the about, and you can we have the props, and when we console that log the props, we will see that what the data shows. So let's console this and see, you can see that we have props. Okay, and here we have the object where we have the, because we are of the about page, services not found. Okay, and let's see props, and the location is what we can directly console this log to the props. Currently we have object this one, we have the key, path name, search, state. We have all the data carries in the state form, state data. So we have the full-fledged object, right? State data. So you can see that when we have passed the data in here, and you can see that it is in the state and data. Okay, so state and data, here we can go with the state, data, and ID, title, and description. Okay, so here we go with this one. So when I go to the about page, then we have a props. Okay, so in the data we have asked that location dot state, if it is there. So if it is in the object, you can see that it's in the state. Okay, so state, and then we can go with the data. So here we have matching with the data, like this is, I think this is not really important. Location we have used, but where the location is gonna be like, okay. So basically it's props and is use location hook. You can go with the home, it's not there. About, we have the data. Okay, we have all the data with this one, and you can see that location what it comprises of. We can see that here we have key, path name, search, and the state. So in the location we have state. Okay, if it is state, then we are extracting the data, then we are passing the data. Okay, and what we are extracting, the data dot title and data dot description. Okay, so this is how we can. So anytime if you want, like I want to pass data from one page to another page, what do we have to do? I can pass anything over here. I suppose I want to pass over here like any, I think I just pass the test. Okay, so I want to test data, test to data. I can also pass this one and directly get it from the state. Okay, and you can see that currently if it is loaded, home, about, you can see that no data is there. Why? Because the data is not there. So I'm going to refresh and go to the about page, so I will check the data. So it's a state only. Okay, only the state, so there is no title and no description over here. So I will go to it only with the data. So there is no need to go it over here, so I'm directly pass data, because data we have find with the state. Okay, so I think we should delete this one, and we will remove this one and passing the data only. And you can see that on this about us page, home, about us, about our state is there. So why it's not printing it up? Location dot state, if you're going to pass the location dot state, what's gonna, you can see that test data is there. Okay, it's location dot state, and we are passing all the data, then we are fetching the data accordingly. So you can pass the object array and loop it through it. So it depends upon to you. So this is how you can pass the data. You can create a full-fledged object, and you can directly pass that object or JSON object to that page, and you can, in the prop section, you will get it and just render it and loop it and show the data whatever you want to show in the page section. Okay, so I hope you clear on that how we are going to create such kind of things and how to pass data in the React Router DOM version 6. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.